As a pioneer in business flight, Dassault Aviation has, since the Mystère 20 in the early 60s, built up unique experience in this field. Purity of line is part of its signature. Since Charles Lindbergh chose it for Pan Am in 1963, more than 1,650 Falcons have been sold. Dassault Aviation has a more than 50% share of the world market in top-of-the-range business jets. This family of aircraft benefits from advances made in military design. Examples are the study of aerodynamics, the design of sturdy airframes, the mastery of composite materials, head-up display, and even studies for a future supersonic business aircraft. High-tech is the watchword from the design department onward with the use of Dassault Systems CATIA software. Good design, first time round and at the lowest cost for the benefit of the customer is the leitmotif of Dassault Aviation staff. Famous for their sturdiness and reliability, research to increase safe flight also forms part of the Falcon's advantages, from the EFIS display instrument panel of the Falcon 10 to the intuitive, easy cockpit of the future aircraft. The sole European business jet manufacturer, Dassault Aviation has a long tradition of industrial cooperation. For the production of the Falcon 20 and Falcon 50, Dassault works in association with the French national company Aerospatiale. Today there is also a close collaboration with the European companies such as Alenia in Italy and Hellenic Aircraft Industries in Greece for the manufacture of the Falcon 900 and the 2000. Business aviation today is recognized as a positive part of productivity for companies and governments, just like information technology and telecommunications. The Falcons are real flying offices for company use with all the modern communications methods. Work can continue during flight in the finest conditions of comfort and safety. The most modern techniques and materials are used for the immaculate fittings. Since 1967, Dassault Falcon Service has provided a major service station for the Dassault network. The specialist workshops ensure Falcon maintenance, regular inspections, repairs, workshops for upgrading, interior refurbishment, all with the utmost respect for the manufacturer's quality standards. This airline, providing flight on demand, ensures that the customers are carried in the safest and most comfortable conditions. Dassault Aviation has had a presence in the United States since the beginning of the 70s, and 3/4 of the company's sales are made in the North American market. Dassault Falcon's job is to coordinate world sales, customer services, and the personalization of the Falcon family of aircraft. They handle direct sales and services on the American continent, the Pacific Rim, and the Far East. Falcon Multirole is a standalone program, just like the Falcon 50EX, 2000, 2000EX, 900C, 900B, and 900EX business aircraft. A Falcon Multirole can be used for different purposes by the same user, or be made available to several different users who fit it out with systems for their own purposes: medical evacuation, maritime surveillance, freight, towing, aerial photography, calibration, and so on. Dassault Aviation pays particular attention to customer services to help them with their everyday operational requirements. Services for the Falcon comprise a worldwide network of service stations and local representatives, a large stock of spares, several permanent emergency phone numbers, a pilot training program with flight safety and simuflight, computerized information and documentation. Since the Falcon 50 nearly 30 years ago, the Falcon has benefited from a supercritical wing aerofoil. Now the Falcon leaps into the future with the development of a new range of aircraft with wings of a new generation, optimized from the low-speed transonic region. Unveiled at the last Bourget Air Show, the first of this new family of business aircraft, the 7X, is due to make its maiden flight in 2004. The advantage of the Falcons lies in their comfort, versatility of use, availability, discretion, and profitability through the productivity they generate. They're the heirs to the tradition that Dassault Aviation wants to share with every customer: technological innovation.